For our sample problem number 2, compartments A and B are connected by an orifice having a diameter of 150 mm at its sides. At compartment A, the water is 3 meter deep above the orifice, while on B, the water is 2 meter deep above the orifice. If the coefficient of contraction is 0.96 and coefficient of velocity is 0.92, so meron tatlong tinatanong: the discharge to the orifice, head loss to the orifice, and the power loss in watts. So, drawing muna natin no, yung ating figure. So, meron daw tayong dalawang compartment. So, hindi naman binanggit anong shape ng compartment na yan, no? So, adapt na lang natin yung nandun sa concept natin din, sa ating mga formula. So, yung compartment na ganito ang itsura. So, let's say ito yung ating compartment A, ito yung ating compartment B. So, kay compartment A, ang depth daw ng ating water above the orifice is 3 meters. While on compartment D, ang depth ng water ay 2 meters lang. So, kung matatandaan ninyo, ito yung case natin ng head causing the flow na. So, 3 minus 2 lang. Yung ating, I think that's number 4, or case 4, yung ating submerged orifice. So, for its discharge, ang Q natin dito, ang general formula ng discharge, specifically si Q actual, this is coefficient of discharge, area ng orifice is square root of 2GH, wherein this H is difference ng H1 minus H2, wherein ang H1 natin is yung 3, and yung ating H2 is yung 2 meters. Okay? So, for the Q actual, si CD, walang binigay na CD dun sa ating problem, pero recall that CD is just the product ng CC and CV. So, 0.96 times 0.92 ang area ng orifice natin. So, nagbigay naman ng diameter. So, pag diameter ang binigay, matik yan ay area ng circle. Pi over 4 times 0.15 meter squared. And then, square root of 2G. So, yung 2G ay 19.62 times H natin na 3 minus 2. So, solving this, we have a discharge of 0.069 cubic meter per second. So, ito po yung isang tinatanong. And then, so tinatanong head loss through the orifice. I think next slide muna na lang ako, no? So, for the head loss, you can still use any of the two formula. So, kung gusto nyo yung HL is equal to H quantity 1 minus CV squared, okay lang din. If you want to use the HL is equal to V squared over 2G quantity ng 1 over CV squared minus 1, okay lang din. Pero siguro try natin pag-compare, no? So, yung H dyan, doon sa ating derivation last time, that's Z1 minus Z2. Wherein yung Z1 minus dito, that's the difference in elevation ng dalawang water surface. From the water surface ng tank to the orifice mismo. Wherein, hindi lang naman yan equal yan sa Z1 minus dito, no? Kung babalikan ninyo yung derivation natin, this is also equal dun sa velocity head dun sa mismong orifice natin. So, dito, let's say, ito na lang gamitin natin for this H kasi mas madali. So, yung H na yan, that's still the same na head causing the flow. So, basically, that's 3 minus 2 quantity ng, gawin ko lang bracket, 1 minus yung CV natin, that's 0.92 squared. So, if you solve this is around 0.1536 meters. So, that's using formula, no? Pero dito, kapag gusto nyo yung formula na to, kailangan nyo pa kasing i-solve yung ating V actual. So, take note, V actual, no? Basta head loss. So, laging magka-partner yan. Basta merong head loss, you're considering actual values. So, solve muna natin si V actual. Kasi V actual, using the formula ng actual velocity, CV, square root of 2GH. Wherein this H is same siya ng H na ginamit natin kay discharge kanina. So, ang CV natin ay 0.92 square root of 19.62 times 3 minus 2. So, ang CB natin ay or not CB, V actual, 4.075 meter per second. Let's try to substitute that. So, dapat ang HL mo ay 4.075 squared over 19.62 quantity 1 over 0.92 squared minus 1. Okay, so let's check. So, same. 0.153. So, dito lang may butal. So, kanina kasi sakto siya. Pero ito, yung butal niya, so 5.9 pa siya. Pero basically, pag round up nyo lang din, so almost same. Pero in dapat same na siya, no? Kapag sakto yung ginamit yung value dito kay Visa Pay. So, this is also 0.531536 meters. Okay? And para dun sa next part, may tinatanong pa. So, power loss in watts. So, pag sinabing power kasi, di ba, ang formula natin is gamma QE. Pero dito, pag sinabing power loss, isulat ko muna. So, in general, ang power, di ba, this is gamma QE. Wherein, yung E na to is the energy or head causing the flow. Pero dito, since power loss ang tinatanong, so nabawasan yung initial na power mo. So, ang nabawas doon is a power due to the head loss. So, dito, kapag power loss ang tinatanong, no, ang gagamitin yung E dyan is the head loss. So, I hope malinaw tayo doon. So, we have gamma na 9810 times yung discharge natin. So, ang sagot natin kanina kay first part is 0.069 times ang ating head loss. So, gamitin ko na lang si 0.1536. For the power loss, we have 103.970. So, kapag naka-Newton per cubic meter kayo dyan, no, ang lalabas dito na sagot ay in terms of watts. So, ito na yung ating power loss due to the head loss.